Hey guys, so on this early morning I ordered um these from Kilimall about a day ago, and it has arrived. It is a set of lipstick. I don't know how it looks like, and I don't know, it's very affordable. So it's a very bright morning today. There is no sun, it's clouds and cold. Yeah, it's all that. So I just ordered a package like 2 days ago on Kilimall, and here it is. It is a set of lipsticks. I don't know how many lipsticks there are, so let me do that. And I'm gonna do a swatch later on today. I have the eye bags, and anyway, let's is it so tiny? Look at how tiny this is. Wow. And look at how huge this is. So this is Handayan. I've been a fan of Handayan since 2017. Their lipsticks are bomb. I'm having a chopped lips. I just woke up anyways. And I don't know how it's going to be. So with bread, I'm going to go with Broadways. I'm going to go with Broadways, and I'm going to apply this peanut. This is pure peanut, pure. Like, look at that. My mom make this. I know how to make it. So this is pure peanut, no additives in it, and I enjoy it. I bought the Blue Band peanut and ilinishinda kabisa, so I'm still going on because I grew up taking this, and anything apart from pure peanut doesn't cut for me. So yep. So after doing that, I'm just going to review my previous video and check the mistakes that I did in my previous video. I usually do this because I am not that good at editing, so I'm just going to go here and check on, because before this is how my background used to look like, not my frame, but my background used to look like. This is a video that I did while I was home. I don't have like a constant background, and I use InShot and I move it to edit, so I didn't know how to remove this. So I was just like going through Safari to see if there is any edits, because I noticed if it goes like this, it's way smaller than when this part is not there. So that is what I'm doing, and as I'm doing that, I'm also watching up there, and I'm looking at documentaries. I'm a fan of documentaries, so I'm also watching documentaries. And as I'm doing that, I'm also waiting to prepare for lunch. I'm also waiting to prepare for lunch. I'm waiting for a package too that is supposed to come. So my day is not that busy, but it is busy because I have only 2 days to upload a video, so I have to check my mistakes, then don't do them in the next video. So yeah, that's how my day is all like. So, and I also, when I'm also doing that, I also check my emails. I've checked my emails. I have like 2 notifications coming up, and I also see in WhatsApp I also have like a message popping up. Like, I most of the time, like 99% of the time, I use my MacBook to check onto everything, like literally everything. I've also found a way to connect like this messages with my phone messages, so literally everything I do. If I'm at home, I use my phone, my laptop. When I'm out, I use my phone, and it has been easy. So anyways, I'm talking too much, and I'm gonna see you next time. So finally my package has arrived. They're arriving slowly, like 2, 1 and all that kind. So let me show you what I got. So this is from Jumia. I love shopping at Jumia, Kilimall and Gigi, but mostly Jumia, because let's not lie, Jumia has a lot of original stuffs, though some also are fake, but not fake. Let me not call them fake, let me call them counterfeit. So let's see. I ordered a lot of stuff, so they're coming one after the other. So today it's these ones. I don't know if they'll be tomorrow. Others have not yet been confirmed, but not yet released from, I think, the owners or the shop or something of that sort. So the first one is Simple Regeneration Edge Resisting Facial Wash. I have never used Simple products, so this is the first time I'm going to use Simple products, like literally. And I don't know, it's sealed well. I've seen these things on stores, like on shelves, but never been interested until my skin started resisting my routine. So yeah, this went for $7.94 for 150 ml. No discounts. Actually, I tried a discount. I tried a discount that they refused, because a lot of people had used it. Apparently a lot of people are shopping. So I have been meaning to buy this body wash for like the longest time that there has been this, and it is here. With oatmeal and shea butter. All my products, like all my gel, like my body washing has been of shea butter. And apparently when I'm washing with shea butter, I'm all good, but when I now want to use it for like moisturizing, that does not go well with my skin. I don't know why, and people are praising shea butter. This is shea butter and vitamin C serum. People are really out here praising them, but my skin is just like, nah, girl, no, don't do that to us. So because this has shea butter, when I use it for washing, it is really good. I have no reaction. So let's see. I love the way this is. I know it's going to take me time to open this when I'm in the shower, but look at that. The smell is everything. Like, Ah. This is just, oh my god. If there's anything else to outgrow, tell me. But you see this, I will never outgrow this. Like, never ever, never in my life will I ever outgrow this. Like, come on, even if I'm in my old age and my fingers can still do this, I will do it for the rest of my life. Like, come on, who doesn't love that sound? Who? Like, look at that. This went for 950, no discount, like no nothing. Woo! So this is my dinner. I'm really bored now. But this, I'm taking some tea and watching RuPaul Drag Race.